everyone? Hope y'all having a good time. Fixing to go over there to the shop right now, install the water pump. The ARP water pump bolts come in, so stay tuned. When installing your new water pump, make sure that you have your gaskets on the back. And then we're gonna try to get this started up. So we're gonna run these bolts up right quick, and when installing them, you want to torque them to 11 foot-pounds on the first pass, and then on the second pass do 22 foot-pounds. Do what?
Dynamite drop.
Also, y'all, we got a new car that you're probably going to start seeing on the channel just a little bit more. Me and Brandon went and picked it up yesterday. It was a really good deal. I couldn't pass up on it, so y'all check it out. It is a 2013 supercharged FRS. It's a 6-speed. It's got the Sprintex supercharger. It's got 70,000 miles. Real nice. Came with a 10-inch Rockford Fosgate sub. The guy who had it, he's the older guy, took real good care of it. He didn't hardly drive it that much, but awesome car with the supercharger, and with it only having 70,000 miles. I couldn't pass up on the deal. He only wanted 9 for it, so we went and picked it up. Real nice, taken care of. So you're gonna start seeing the car on the channel just a little bit every now and then. My plan is to put some rims and tires on it, do a little bit of exhaust upgrades and a little bit of other things like that. But it's all up to what Brianna wants to do to it. So whatever she decides, that's what we're gonna do to it. But anyways, there's the car. She loves it. So anyways, that's all for this video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed all the videos before this. So if you did, just hit that like and subscribe button for me. That way y'all see all the upcoming videos. We're almost done with that motor, waiting on a few things to come in. I got to get spark plugs, or not spark plugs, I need spark plug wires, and then I'm waiting on my injectors to come in. I've ordered those about 2 weeks ago and they still ain't come in yet. So anyways, we're just waiting on that to come in, and I think we should be good to go. Got to do the AC and the power steering pump, and we're good to go. So anyways, y'all have a good one.